Holy Moses, brother of Aaron, what's happened to my beaches? As far as the eye can see, all down this coast now, completely packed. So, I've got one day left tomorrow and I'm leaving, and so what I'm doing is I'm just going on my favourite walk right up beyond that peninsula over to the tiny little beaches where all the seagulls live. And so I'm going to be saying goodbye to the only friends I've made. And even them can't really stand me. They take any opportunity to come and shit on me. What's wrong with the world? Anyway, so just enjoying the native flora and fauna. Goes all the way down there. Beautiful, huh? And then we've got various cacti and palm plants, and there's a reasonably thickish wood all up there, so I'm going to go walking through that. And that'll be that then of this particular place. Maybe I'll be coming back later, who knows, no idea. But I've found myself a room in a nice old colonial style building next to the botanical gardens and next to one of their parks, which is given to a very wooded area, and so you've got gardens and wooded areas and the river and the mountains, and apparently this place where we staying is about a 10-minute cycle from the Valley of the Flowers, which is a name that they've given for obvious reasons. And so I'm going to be up in those mountains and I'm going to be all around that area. I'm going to be making some great videos, and it goes without saying that I'm going to be having a lot of inspiration, because it just always happens in a new place, you know. So I'll be seeing you guys there, yeah? Hasta la vista, ladies.